Our Lictum Pro is blockchain 5 of the latest generation. They have developed the fully fledged distributed platform, 100% reliable electronic data circulation environment for all parameters of human life. Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to discuss each and everything regarding our Relictum Pro project, and we are also going to join the airdrop of Relictum. Before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. So friends, basically right now at this time, three major things, okay, three major you can say platform, Yahoo Finance, Forbes and Blocktomy, they already feature a Relictum Pro project in their main blogs and themes and everywhere. It means that this project has a new revolution. It is not only a project, it is basically a new revolution. I will tell you the main three things which basically make, you can say, a Relictum Pro entirely exclusive and you can say among on the top of other cryptocurrencies. First of all, the main thing is, you can say, the network, a cryptography, and the third one is smart contracts. Here you can see it by yourself, a cryptography, network and smart contracts. These things basically you can say make it entirely exclusive regarding the other cryptocurrencies. Here you can see it by yourself on the cryptography. They have their own encryption algorithm. On the network you can see it by yourself, they have their own node interaction between themselves, a principal. Smart contracts, they have their own laboratory for all smart contracts that are entirely, you can say, a new things in any type of coin at this time. A new things, I will basically share some things more. Okay, for example, a Relictum Pro is a blockchain 5 which has all the necessary fundamental and sufficient conditions to ensure the work of the fourth generation of blockchain. It means a Relictum Pro, you can say it is a new blockchain 5. It is not the old one, okay? And it basically, you can say, necessary fundamental and sufficient conditions to ensure the work of the fourth generation of blockchain. That basically makes it entirely, you can say, exclusive on all the blockchains at this time. The last one thing, it is also a very good thing. It is last but not the least. The thing is this: the Relictum Pro is a stable coin, RLC. RLC, you can say that basically RLC coin is the coin that is not subject to external economic and political influencers. It is based on complex mathematical algorithm that excludes coin inflation. That is also another idea. Here you can see entire thing, especially here you can also see the entire team. The entire team is available, you can say 24/7 for you. If you want to ask anything from them, you can ask whatever you want to ask and they will definitely answer your each and every question. Here you can also see the roadmap of this project. And the major thing right now, here you can see all the social media links, but the main thing which I am going to share with you right now, if you want to buy this coin, okay, but before buying you must have to read each and everything on their white paper. Here you can see each and everything on the white paper and all the details are there on their white paper of the Relictum Pro, so you must have to read all that one. But if you want to buy this token, it is entirely easy. You just have to click on the join the token sale now. Then you will be basically a new page will be open in front of you. Here you can see it by yourself. At this time, the 1 GTN is equal to $0.0045. So it is entirely easy for you to buy this coin. So how you can buy it? First of all, you have to click on buy tokens now. Then you will be basically redirected to a new page and then you have to create your account. First of all, you have to enter your own username, your email address, your password, your confirm password. Then you have to enter your home country and sign up directly. After basically signing up, they will basically send you a confirmation email. You have to confirm that one email and then you can simply log in on the main platform and then you'll be able to buy the Relictum Pro coins directly, GTN coin directly from their main platform. And as I told you, here you can see it by yourself that all the social media is right now available and the team is there for you to help 24/7, so you must have to go and ask whatever you want to ask from the team. Now I'm going to share a great airdrop of $16. Here you can see it by yourself, a Relictum Pro $16 airdrop where you can easily earn up to 3,555 Relictum Pro tokens. First of all, you have to click on start, then you can see all the options, and even you can join the bounty if you want to join. And here you can see, first of all, you have to follow them on the Telegram, then you have to follow them on the Twitter, Facebook, and here you must have to follow them on the LinkedIn, on the Reddit, and on Instagram. After basically joining them and after basically following them on all the social media, then you have to click on participate. Then you have to fill up all the users name of the all social media. Then you'll be able to collect basically $16 directly GTN tokens in your wallet. So it is such a great thing to join this airdrop. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends, and also you can easily join the bounty if you want to join. I will share all the links in the description, so go and join, and you must have to read each and everything regarding the white paper of Relictum Pro, so then you will make somehow investments in it. Thanks a lot.